Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel, Kill Switch. I'm Ariba, and today I'm going to show you a cool way to use the blending mode in filmora9. So let's start. First, go to the media file and then sample colors. Choose black and drag it on the timeline. Then go to titles, select the default title, double click on it, and write anything you want. Like I'm gonna write tutorial, and the font should be like thick, so I'm gonna make it impact and make it bigger, like at 150, and that's it. Select OK. Now you can take a snapshot of this, okay, and delete everything from the timeline. Like select everything and delete. Now bring the snapshot down and select it and go to crop. Go to pan and zoom, select end and make it as small as it gets, and put it right in the middle, like that. Select OK. So this will be like that. I'm gonna make the duration like 2.220. Yeah, that's good. And now play the video like from the very end, and right when it stops, take a snapshot of that, and now it'll be in the media file, and drag it in the timeline, change the duration, 0.5, and now this will be like this. Okay, now select this, go to crop, pan and zoom. Now select start and make it as small as you can and bring it right in the middle, like that. Now select OK. Now it will look like this. Okay, now you can go to import media files, can import any picture. So I have a picture of like Fortnite. Like don't put it on top of your snapshots, you put it under them, like that. Okay, like that. Now select the snapshot, go to compositing and do at the blending mode, make it multiply, and look at that. Look, and now this would look like this. Okay, make sure to watch my older videos right there, and yeah. Okay. So guys, if you like this video, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification and like, and yeah, I'll see you all next time. Goodbye. Give this video a big thumbs up and bye.